Hello! Hi everyone! Today I have an Etsy haul, which is probably some of my favorite videos, is when I get to share with you guys everything that I got on Etsy. So I've got a lot of things here, a lot of fun purple colors and different things, so let's get started. Okay, one of the first things I have here is this beautiful paper. It's from Mulberry Paper. It's Japanese washi paper pack. So let's go ahead and open it. So this paper is in these beautiful purple colors. It feels almost like a rough cotton, but it's very flexible and it's very pretty. So there's that one, and oh, look at this. This is sort of a fun little weavy color. Move this out of the way so you can see. And it's very soft as well. See how it sort of, you can crumple it up. That would be really pretty in journals. And this one, oh, look at this one. This has a see-through as well. Almost has like little purple daisies. Very pretty. Very soft. Light transparent. Wispy purple. This has some speckled gold on it. Let me try to get these out so y'all can see them. Oh, here is another one of these. Okay, so I guess there's two each. Ooh, look at this one. Put this back. This is really, really pretty. And here is the other purple and gold speckled. So these, of course, I just said are from Mulberry Paper and more, and they are just absolutely beautiful. So leave those here. Here is something I would like to show you. This is Kittywitty. I have a lot of her things. She does journals and things, and she does these little I don't know what she calls this. This is, but you attach them to your journals, and they're ribbon. So it comes with this little clip here, and there is Kittywitty Papercraft if you want to check her out on Etsy. So this is, I don't know how many of you remember in the 70s, these were the ribbons that we wore in our hair when we were little girls. This clip actually can go on a journal or a purse or what have you. And then she has all these little charms with it. Just so pretty. And you just clip it on. And I actually have a journal that I'll show you. It's a traveler's notebook. And as you can see, I have one of her other ones here, but you can see how it clips off. Like this. I'll go ahead and show you this one. And I actually think I have one more, but I'll save it for another video. And then this one goes right there on your notebook that holds your traveler notebooks. So how cute is that? Okay, so we'll leave this here. Let's see what else we have. I have this, I don't know what it is, I forgot. Which I love it when I forget because it's like a present, so let's see what it is. Okay, so she made a little just to say card, and she included a little ticket, and it says, "Thank you, enjoy your goodies." And let's see what it is. It's in the little sewing pattern. That's pretty. I hate to open it because I love the way it just looks, but we have to see what's inside, so let's go ahead. Oh, I remember. Okay, so this is from Jelly Bean Studio, right here, and they are little handmade envelopes. So let's take a look. So this is a map. And oh, this is a little gnome or fairy tale guy. Look how cute these little envelopes are. I like this one. Oh, it's like a Halloween. It's musical notes. There's a king. Lamp. How much fun are these? The stars. Cartoon. And some orange colors. Okay, so this is sewn here. Again, Jelly Bean Studio. I like her little tags. Those are cute. Oh, wow. Okay, these are great. I'll just go through these briefly. Oh, that's a good one. Ducky. And there's a lot on the back too. I'm just going through these rather quickly because I didn't realize there were so many. Foxy. Super nice. I will definitely be using these in my journal. And I absolutely love that she sewed this little pouch to keep them in. Okay, I'm so excited. Very happy. Okay, so these I will put here. And let's see what else we have. I should save this too. Now this is nice. I got this from Misty Willow Cottage, and she sent me a thank you note and gave me a little gift. I did not purchase this. She included it in my purchase. Doesn't she have a pretty card? And this is a magnet. So that is pretty. Okay, so from her, I ordered these amazing paper clips. They are huge, and they are so pretty and vibrant, and they're made of felt. And I have my journal here, so I'll show you what I'm thinking. So let's try this one. So if you wanted to add this on your journal, you could put it there. And then when you shut it, it pokes out. Isn't that cute? I love that. So I was very excited to get these. Well, I'm excited to get all of it. But these I had actually seen a while ago, and I had them in my little favorite where you heart it and you say, oh, it's my favorite, and you keep coming back, but you don't buy it. And then finally I said, I just need to get it because they're just too cute. So here they are. Let me clear this up because I have some ephemera I want to show you, and I don't want it to get lost in the shuffle of everything else. Okay, the ephemera I got is from Pink Flamingo Ephemera. Right here. So I've got quite a bit of it. I'm going to open up some of this and just give you a sample of the different types of things that I picked out. And everything that's in the individual packet it was sold like all of this in one packet. So let's see what we got. It looks like we have some older parents and their children. And I'll briefly go through this. I won't show everything. Or maybe I will. So cute. So mother, father packet. Family. And some of them are very tiny. And then some of them are a little larger. Okay, so this one was family. I'll put these back together later. Here's another packet. This must be rain because it says rainy. Some umbrellas, some rain gear. Oh, that's pretty, the rainbow. Rainy days. I like that one. I like all of them. Little itty bitty ones. And there's more rain in there, so we'll put this to the side. And here's my favorite. It is Fairytales. Oh, this one's nice. Here's a bunch of itty bitty ones. Castle. Little Red Riding Hood. Cinderella. I love all of these vintage fairy tales. I absolutely adore Disney, but I also appreciate, and more from my childhood, some of these older books. Cinderella. Piggy. Oh, this is super nice. Look at the illustration on this one. Goldilocks. Look at little Cinderella. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this Etsy haul. Thank you so much for joining me. And please leave a comment below. Let me know what you enjoyed and if you have any questions. And I am excited to get started in using some of this ephemera on my journals. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.